So my first quick tip is about searching for apps. So let's say that you have an iPhone and you know that there's a calculator app in there somewhere, but you can't find it. You know, you just look around and you can't find it. It's very easy to do a search. All you do is swipe down from the middle, you know, not the top, but the middle, and it opens up search. And you can type in calculator, and there it is. Very easy. Now you may be used to using this little search right here, and that does the exact same thing, but it's just not always there. I think the swipe down from the middle is always there. You can just tap search and you get to the same place. On an Android, you swipe up from the middle, and that takes you to your all apps, and then there's a search bar down at the bottom, and you can type calculator, and there you go. Or once again, there is another way to get to your all apps. If you have this 9-dot grid showing that, but once again, not everybody has that 9-dot grid, that takes you to the same place and you can search. So that is my quick tip, searching for apps. I use it all the time.